Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So have you gone out on a commercial clean and have wished you had something that was very, very simple to calculate the bid in like 3 minutes? I wished I had known how to set this up where I could just go into Google Drive, set something up, and be able to calculate the bid. That's exactly what I'm sharing on my screen. So let's say I've got 60,000 square feet. I'm going to say the average person can clean 3,200 square feet, basic clean. I now already know it's going to take 18.75. I just put in the 60,000, hit enter. And let's say I'm going to say it's going to take them 2,400 hours to clean it. That lets me know now my total cleaning is 25 hours. I want them to do 5 days a week, which you can see. That lets me know it's going to take 125 hours a week. I always want to figure it by the month. So it's going to take me 525 per month. I want to pay them, let's say I want to pay them 17 an hour instead of 14. So I want to pay them $17 an hour. That lets me figure out exactly what that looks like. And then the rate's going to be $8,925. So I'm looking at what my cleanable hours, what I feel the average person can clean man hours in an hour. That gives me the total hours. And then I put in the number of days, which I put in 5. Then it lets me know what it is by the week, by the month. I put in my pay rate, and then I put in what that's going to bring me up for the month. So I know that before I pay any taxes, I'm looking at $8,925. Then I'm going to put in 15% taxes as my, when you've got to put in payroll taxes for your, Medicaid and Social Security, that's what that is. And then it lets me know it's $10,263.75. Then I want to put in my expenses, my uniforms, my cleaning supplies, my equipment, all of that. That is my 30%, and that comes up to $13,342.88. Now I want to figure out my profit. I need to have a profit. This is the money I'm going to keep. If I add everything up, this bid for cleaning 60,000 square feet is going to be $16,011.45. I can simply change this. So I go and I've got it with me, and it's a 30,000 square foot. And I want to know what that is. I simply put that in, hit it, boom, it calculates it. After everything, I know I'm going to make I know my total bid is going to be $8,005. So I can see what is my total labor, $5,131.88. And then I can also see that I am going to add in. So if I want to figure out what I need, I just have to subtract the 8,573 from the 5,131. And that tells me how much I've got for expenses and how much I have for my profit. So we see after expenses, we have $6,671.44. Simple. I know my entire amount of money is $8,573. I just simply have to, just subtract it. But I love the fact in 3 minutes, I put in my square footage and I'm able to tell all of this in 3 minutes. I wished I had this earlier instead of counting ceiling tile when I, was trying to do the bids back way back in the day when I first got started. I wished I had known and learned this. This is something I simply set up in a Google Doc to be able to calculate it. And if you join Facebook, I will give you some information on how easy this is to calculate it. And you can do that manually, just add in the figures manually. We've got all of our conversations that we talk about on Facebook with bidding and so many other things. So our Facebook group is happening, but easy calculations, definitely needed. You can do in 3 minutes and less. So this is where you don't leave any money on the table and you're not guessing, and you've got your percentage and your taxes and everything nice and neat in one little place. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the link in the description where it will take you to our Facebook group where we are talking about what you can do to get to what? six figures and beyond. How? So make sure you click the link. I'd love to see you in our government. This is government month, all about government. So if you want to learn all about government, make sure you click that. That's our workshops on Wednesdays, and our workshops on Thursdays are all about commercial, which includes a lot of bidding and all sorts of things. So until next time, I want you to be safe. I want you to make sure you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.